G'day trader, Sam here from TradeToProspa, looking at Bitcoin in a small time frame, looking at Bitstamp and what looks like a mini support level based on previous lows and demand, and we're seeing the SP 500 as well finding support. So let's just split this up for a sec, and I'll give you the reasons and the synchronization between Bitcoin and the SP 500. There we go. So if we were to just enable, give me a sec, pick out that chart, you can see the 200 moving average. Actually, it's not the right SP 500. Should be probably better. There we go. And if you were to look at from a number of perspectives, let's just look at this previous support. It's on the Fibonacci. If we were to reverse that, you can see the confluence there. Okay, so just leave it at that for the time being. And we are looking at pretty much a bounce here, a support here with the 200 moving average and this previous peak and support. So we expect a little bounce. I'm not looking much for other bounce, potentially to this 0.5 Fibonacci level. But in the past, we've seen it drop as well. I think this level and then back down. These 200 moving averages might come down with it, and it will just be a strong resistance if we get this bounce to that height, and then we've got all the trend line as well. So that's just going to be just a strong resistance. I'm not confident that it's even going to get that far. I think probably lower to the 0.5, and that one more possibility to the 0.382. So I'm looking at that for it to come back down. In the meantime, when we look at Bitcoin, as long as this continues to hold this level, Bitcoin could rise. I'm looking for a good shorting opportunity for Bitcoin, and I'm just going to do this. Maybe I'll just pick that level there. And you can see from a number of perspectives, we've got the moving averages as well. I'm not sure which one this is. That is maybe the 50. Yep. If we were to get rid of that 50. No, that's not the 50. Jeez, it's hard to figure out this one. Okay, that's the 100. Yeah, so it was 100 moving average and on the daily. And so I'm looking for either this trend line to be the resistance, short, and that's my first target there. It could possibly go to the 618 as well, this level here, and that will be the golden pocket. And I'm pretty confident that that's going to be resistance, especially around there, confluence. So if this was to rally that high, I doubt it, but if it was, it's a good opportunity to short. So what we're looking for is potentially a move like that and back down again with the RSI. That's my thinking in the short term. I do expect it further to come down. We have the US dollar or the Dixie increasing, so there's a number of bearish signs and a number of indicators and market sentiments that this is not going to hold. But anyway, that's my thoughts for the short term. I'll leave it at that. Please give me a like and share, and talk to you soon. Cheers.